How to rename a file using Python. I want to change a .text to be .kml.
Users.rename. Usage.
File may be inside a directory, in that case specify the path.
As of Python 3.41 can use the pathlib module to solve this. If you happen to be on an older version, you can use the backported version found here. Let's assume you are not in the root path. Just to add a bit of difficulty to it, you want to rename, and have to provide a full path. We can look at this. So, you can take your path and create a path object out of it. Just to provide some information around this object we have now, we can extract things out of it. For example, if for whatever reason we want to rename the file by modifying the file name from the underscore file to the underscore file underscore 1, then we can get the file name part. And still hold the extension in hand as well. We can perform our modification with a simple string manipulation. Python 3.6 and greater make use of f-strings. Otherwise. And now we can perform our rename by calling the rename method on the path object we created and appending the x to complete the proper rename structure we want. More shortly to showcase its simplicity. Python 3.6+. Versions less than Python 3.6 use the string format method instead.
This will work to rename or move a file.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.